So my name is Bahira. My dad snores a lot. My mom keeps telling me, but my dad keeps saying no. That's my sister. That's my mom. That's my dad. He snores a lot. See, he says no. So my dad pretty snores sometimes. Don't you, Dad? My dad, he's very silly and snores a lot. My mom, she's very nice. She's cooler than ever. My sister is the smartest guy in the world. And I am the fastest guy ever. My dad is the silliest guy ever. Okay, so in my story, I'm 4. So this is a video game. Me and my family run a video game. My sister painted these nailfish like this.
Okay.
So here is my story. I want to be a princess and a mermaid princess ninja.
And doctor?
Well, you can
Astronaut?
be a princess. Well, I'll stay underwater and have a toe. And I'll be dressed up as a ninja and have a crown. So that's how ninja is. Mermaid, princess, mermaid, ninja. So, like, my mom sometimes blinks to me, and my dad. And I know my dad snores a lot. Don't you, Dad? He always doesn't sing. Sings. Your turn to talk. I'll hold it and you talk.
Hi, my name is Shika. I want to be princess when I grow up.
That's my mom.
My name will be Princess Park. Bye.
So, Mommy, here's my sister.
Hi, I'm Mopper. I'm the smartest guy in the world. I'm untangling a necklace right now. So pretty.
That's a very long necklace. And guys, so there's my room.
Messy din. Bye, Bulo.
I'm making video and not telling people. See? And that's very messy.
Okay, bomba gulo dito.
But in video, I'm a cool pop star. Bye.